Many iPhone users are reporting that cellular or mobile data is not working. How to fix it? If you want to solve this problem, then watch the video till the end. Solution number 1. Go to settings. Click on cellular or mobile data. Scroll down and click on reset. Again click on reset in pop-up window. Solution number 2. Go to settings. Scroll down and click on general. Next scroll down and click on transfer reset iPhone. Click on reset. Click on reset network settings. Enter your passcode. Again click on reset network settings to confirm this process. Solution number 3. Go to settings. Turn on and turn off airplane mode. Solution number 4. Go to settings. Click on cellular or mobile data. Turn on cellular or mobile data. Next click on mobile data option. Turn on data roaming and click on voice and data. Here select LTE. Go back. Again go back. Click on network selection. Turn off and turn on automatic. Solution number 5. Go to settings. Scroll down and click on general. Click on software update. Make sure your iPhone software is up to date. I hope your problem will be solved. Thanks for watching.